Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain you how you assign inflow outflow on Ynab. So let's get started. If you're new to Ynab and wondering how to handle inflows and outflows, let me break it down for you. When money comes into your account like a paycheck, refund, or gift, that's called an inflow, and Ynab treats it as money to be budgeted. Once that money shows up in your account register, you'll see a green inflow amount at the top of your budget screen. From there, your job is to assign that money to categories based on your priorities. Click Assign next to each category you want to fund: rent, groceries, savings, or debt payments, and allocate until the Ready to Assign balance hits zero. On the flip side, outflows are your expenses. When you enter a transaction manually or it imports from your bank, you'll record it with a negative amount and assign it to the category it belongs to. Ynab then subtracts that money from the available amount in that category, helping you stay on track and avoid overspending. It's all about giving every dollar a job, whether it's coming in or going out, so you're always budgeting with intention.